Yes, welcome back, children. In this video, I'm going to teach you chapter 9, arithmetic progression, that is AP. In this video, I'm going to cover what is AP, how to find out the uh, common difference, what is A means first term, how to find out the nth term, general term, last term, and sum of the terms. So you have to watch this video till end and remember all the important points. Yes, welcome back, children. Today I'm going to discuss it. AP means arithmetic progression. So, in short, we are writing AP. AP, a list of number in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to its preceding term, except the first term, is called an AP. First term we are considered as a. Okay, and common difference. Common difference means suppose your term is 1, 2, 3. This is your first term. Common difference always we are taking out means what? If the terms are in AP that time means D equal to second term minus first term, that is your common difference. Okay, now general term of an AP. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d is the nth term or general term of an AP. Last term means L. L equal to a plus n minus 1 into d is the last term of an AP. Remember, the nth term form from the end of a finite AP if L is last term of an finite AP means a plus d, a plus 2d, so on, then its nth term form the n, that is what? L minus n minus 1, L minus within bracket n minus 1 into d. Difference of any two terms, difference of any two terms of an AP if a plus d, a plus 2d, so on is an AP, then nth term minus mth term is equal to n minus 1, n minus m into d. Middle term of an AP, if an AP consists of nth term, then number one, it has one middle term if n is odd and this term is n plus 1 by. Okay. Number two, it has two middle term in AP, n is even and these term are n by 2 means n by 2th term and n by 2 plus 1 term. Okay, these are the important point you have to go through with this point. Number, if numbers are in AP, the three numbers A, B, C are in AP if and only if 2b is equal to a plus c. If sum of numbers are in AP is given, then the three terms are taken as what? A minus d, a and a plus d. Four numbers we will take like what? A minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. If five terms are there, that time you have to take some of the terms is given, then five terms a minus 2d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 2d. Okay, now move some of the terms of an AP if a plus d, a plus 2d are in AP, then sum of its first term n terms denoted by Sn and given by what? Sum of the term equal to what? Sn is equal to n by 2 within bracket 2a plus small bracket n minus 1 into d. If last term L of the finite AP is consisting n terms, then sum of all terms is given by Sn is equal to what? N by 2 within bracket a plus L. Okay, sum of first n natural numbers n into n plus 1 by 2. These are the important points and you can call it formula also. Within this formula we can solve all the sum from AP. So you have to watch this video till it is given that following APs are in the first, find the first term and common difference. So as we know, A is the first term, that is 3, and difference is common difference means second term minus first term, that is 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. This is the first question answer. Please write down. Question number third first, it is given which of the following list number form an AP. Okay, first number 1 is given. Okay, so first of all we have to see if the common difference is coming, means this common difference will come same, then it will form an AP. If so, then find the common difference and write down the next three term. So first of all we see our A is given, solution A is 4, D is equal to what, or common difference 4, 10 minus 4, that is 6. If you subtract 16 minus 10, that is also come 6. If you subtract 22, if you subtract from 22 16, that is also come 16. So you see just 10 minus 4, that is 6, 16 minus 10, 6, 22 minus 16, that is 6. Now they are in, therefore 4, 10, 16, 22 dot dot are in AP, Why? Because see the common difference, each and every term the common difference will come 6. Therefore next three terms, next three terms will be what? It will be 26 plus 22 plus 6 equal 28, 28 plus 6, that is 34, and 34 plus 6 equal to 40. So next three terms will be sure. Write down please. 9.2 it is given. First question, find the AP whose nth term is 7 minus 3n, also find the 20th term. Means here it is given an is equal to 7 minus 3n. If a equal to 1, means if n equal to 1, therefore a1 equal to 7 minus 3 into 1, that is 4. N equal to 2, when n equal to 2, so at equal to 7 minus 3 into 2, that is 1. N equal to 3, then a3 equal to what? 7 minus 3 into 3 equal to minus 2. N equal to 4, that time a4 equal to 7 minus 3 into 4 is equal to, subtract it, okay, minus 5. Therefore dot 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 we have to find out what? A20 is term equal to what? 7 minus 3 into 20 is equal to 7 minus 60 equal to minus 53. This is our required answer. Write down please. Question of fifth first, it is given 3, 8, 13, 18 dot 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 is 78. Which term of AP? Means here it is given A equal to 3, D equal to 8 minus 3, that is 5. Now we have to find out an. So a plus n minus 1 into d, okay, means our last term is given, that is 78. Okay, 78. So I can write 78 is equal to, we have to find out the value of n. So 3 plus n minus 1 into d means 5. So this implies that 78 is equal to 3 plus 5n minus 5. 78 is equal to 5n minus 2. Therefore 5n is equal to 80 and n equal to 16. So 78, that it will fall in 16th term. Right on. Question number 15, it is given, if 8th term of an AP is 0, prove that 38th term is triple of its 18th term. So it is given 8th term is 0, so we can write what? This is 8th term, so a plus n minus 1 into d means a plus 7d is equal to 0. This implies that a equal to what? Minus 7d. This is the value of a. Now according to the question, it is given a38 is equal to, we have to prove it, that triple of 18th term. So a38 I can write what? A plus 37d means a plus n minus 1 into d, and this one we can write a plus 17d. So the value of a is here, we have taken out minus 7d, so minus 7d plus 37d is equal to 3 into minus 7d plus 17d. This implies that this is 30d and this is what? 3 into 10d is equal to 30d. So 30d cancel, so therefore it will be what? 30d minus 30d equal to 0. This is our RHS proved. Write down please. Question number 20. The sum of three terms in AP is 30 and the ratio of the first number to the third number is 3:7. Find the number. Three numbers are a plus d, a minus d. It is given sum of the number a plus d plus a minus d equal to 30. D cancel, so 3a is equal to 30. This implies that, or we can write a equal to 10. Now according to the question, it is given that first term to the third term is, means first term a plus d and a minus d, their ratio will be 3/7. So 7a plus 7d is equal to 3a minus 3d. So 4a is equal to 10d. From here we can put the value of what? We can put the value of a. So this should be 40 is equal to 10d. This implies that a is equal to what? 10. So a is also, 4 10s are 40. This will be 4 only. Therefore a will be 4 only. Therefore numbers are what? A means 4. Therefore numbers are what? 4. Then a plus d means 4. A plus d, 4 plus 10, 4. So numbers are what? I have taken a minus d, a and a plus d means 6 minus 4, that is 6, 10, 10 and 14. This is our required answer. Now move 9.3. 9.3 question 1.1. Find the sum of the following APs. One is given 2 7, 12, okay, dot to 10 term, to 10 term. Okay, so A and D we have taken out. Now SN term. SN term, as we know, n by 2 is into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So 10 terms it is given. So 10 by 2, that is 5. Okay, 2 into A means 2 2s are 4 plus n minus 1, that is 10 terms, means what? 10 minus 1, that is 9 into 5 is equal to 5 into 49, that is 245. So our SN term equal to 245. Write down please. Question number 8, it is given, find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which D is given 7 and A22 is 149. So A22 means A plus solution, A plus 22 means 21, A plus 21, D, that is 149. 9. So these imply that the value of D is given. The value of D is given, that is what? D is given, okay, 7, and D is given 7. So we can write A is equal to 149 minus 21 into 7. A equal to 149 minus 147, that is 2. So our A has come 2. Now SN term, it is given, as we know, n by 2 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So 22 by 2, 2 into 2 4 plus 21 minus 1, that is 20th term. Okay, so it is given 21 minus 1, 22 minus 1, 21 into 7 equal to 11. After this one, it will come what? 151. Multiply it, we will get 1660. This is our required answer. Write down please. Question number 16, first find the sum of first 1000 positive terms. Okay, so find the sum of first 1000 positive terms. So let the terms, therefore terms will be what? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 dot 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 up to 1000. So A equal to 1, D equal to 2 minus 1, that is 1. Okay, so SN term we can find out n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So 1000 by 2, that is 500. Okay, so 2 into 1, that is 2, plus 1000 minus 1, 999 into 1, that is 999. So it will come 500 into 1001, that is, after multiply we will get like this only. Okay, so this is our required answer. So I hope you understand. I hope you understood all this sum whatever I taught. But remember one thing, the points, the formulas. So after putting the formula, using the formula in a correct way, you can find out all the sums and their answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching this video till end. I hope you understood. So please, you go through with this formula and you can solve each and every sum. Please share, subscribe and like the channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.